What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to break down all of the controls, inputs, and functions for the RPB-D3. So now let's go over all of the controls, inputs, and functions for the speakers so we know how it works. Starting with the back here, you'll see this cover for the USB, the DC5B, which is the charging input, and the aux input, so we can remove that to see all of these different inputs here. So we have the USB input, so we can plug in any USB thumb drive to play music from that source. You can also plug your phone charger into this USB port to plug your smartphone or tablet. Next we have the aux input, so you can take an aux cord and plug it into this input and plug the other end into an MP3 player or your phone to play music from there. Then we have the DC 5V input here, and this is where you're going to take your charging cable to charge your speaker when it's low on battery. Now jumping to the top of the speaker, in the middle we have the power button here, so we can hold this down to power our speaker. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And once you hear that sound, you'll know that the speaker is on. And the cool thing is it automatically goes into Bluetooth mode, so you can pair your smartphone or tablet to the speaker and play music from your phone or tablet. To do that, I'm gonna go into the Bluetooth settings of my phone or tablet, search for the device that reads RPB-D3, click on it to pair, and then when you hear that sound, you'll know your device is connected. On the left of the power button, we have the music playback button. So we have the play button, which also acts as a pause button to pause or play your tracks. You also have the plus and minus button for volume control, but you can also long press these buttons to skip between tracks. So if you hold down the plus button, it can skip forward a track, and if you hold down the minus button, you can go back a track. On the right, we have the mode button to switch between the different input sources. So let's say you had your Bluetooth device connected to the speaker, you also had your USB thumb drive plugged in. You can switch between these different sources by pressing the mode button. Next to that, we have the TWS button, so we can link this speaker with another RPB-D3. And then we have the LED button to turn on or turn off the LEDs on the side of the speaker. So we can press it once, and it's going to activate the LEDs, and then we can press it again to turn them off. All the way at the end, we have a microphone built into the speaker, so that this way we can take calls while we have our phone connected. So to answer the call, all you have to do is press the play button, and then to end the call, you can just press the play button again to hang up. So I have my friend Lucas calling me right now, so to answer the call, all I have to do is press the play button, and then I can just talk to Lucas because of the built-in microphone. Hey Lucas, can you hear me?
Hey Perry, it's good to hear from you.
And then like I said, whenever we're ready to hang up, we can press the play button again. Bye Lucas.
See you, Perry.
So now we know how our speaker works, but let's go ahead and hear how it sounds. Oh wow. Sounds great. So hopefully this helped explain all of the controls, inputs, and functions for the RPB-D3. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.